Welcome to Internet Money Mastery. Today we're diving into the exciting world of graphic design and how you can turn your creative skills into a lucrative online income. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your design career, this video will guide you through the best ways to earn money with graphic design. Let's get started. It's everywhere. Logos, websites, social media posts, all graphic design. In today's digital world, it's more important than ever. We're bombarded with information constantly. Good design helps you stand out. Think of it like this. You have the best product in the world, but your website looks like it was made in 1999. No one's buying. Good design builds trust and credibility. It tells your story visually, and guess what? You can make money from it. Let's dive in. First things first, you gotta have the skills. No shortcuts here. Learn the fundamentals of design, typography, color theory, composition. Luckily, there are tons of resources available. Adobe Creative Cloud is the industry standard. Canva is great for beginners. Skillshare has awesome courses. Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment. Find your style, develop your eye. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Freelancing is a great way to start making money with graphic design. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients. Your profile is your first impression. Make it shine. Showcase your best work. Write a killer bio. Be clear about your skills and rates. Bidding on projects can be competitive. Don't undersell yourself. Value your time and expertise. Communication is key. Respond promptly to messages. Want to make money while you sleep? Create and sell design assets. Think templates, icons, fonts, and illustrations. Platforms like Creative Market, Etsy, and Gumroad are great for selling digital products. People are always looking for high-quality design elements. Pricing is important. Research your competition. Offer different packages and bundles. Market your products effectively. Use social media to your advantage. Section 5, be your own boss. Starting a design biz, ready to take the leap? Starting a design business gives you more control and flexibility, but it takes hustle and dedication. First, define your niche. What are you passionate about? Who is your target audience? Create a strong brand identity. Your logo, website, and messaging should be cohesive. Networking is crucial. Attend industry events, connect with potential clients online, and build relationships. Deliver exceptional work and client service. Section 6, print on demand, designing for products. Print on demand is a fun way to monetize your designs. Design for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble handle production and shipping. You focus on creating awesome designs. Research trends, understand your target market, and come up with unique concepts. Promote your products through social media and targeted ads. Section 7. Sharing is caring, online courses and tutorials. Are you a design whiz? Share your knowledge and earn money by creating online courses or tutorials. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to host and sell your courses. Break down complex concepts into bite-sized lessons. Use high-quality visuals and engaging content. Market your courses to your target audience. YouTube is another great platform for sharing tutorials. Create valuable content, grow your audience, and monetize through ads and sponsorships. Section 8. Social media, your design portfolio. Social media is your best friend as a graphic designer. It's a free and easy way to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. Create profiles on platforms like Instagram, Behance, and Dribbble. Post regularly, use relevant hashtags, and engage with your followers. Network with other designers and potential clients. Section 9, keep hustling, tips for success. The graphic design world is competitive. Stay ahead of the game by continuously learning and adapting. Keep your skills sharp. Learn new software and design trends. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Network, collaborate, and seek feedback. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come your way. Remember, success takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay persistent, keep learning, and never stop creating. Section 10. Conclusion, your design journey begins. That's it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today. From freelancing to starting your own business, there are endless opportunities to make money with graphic design. The key is to find what you're passionate about, develop your skills, and hustle hard. The world needs your creativity. Now go out there and make some design magic happen. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. Let's build a community of passionate designers.